Hello Pierce College students. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your dashboard, Canvas dashboard, so courses appear on it. So first of all we need to install the Canvas Student. After you installed the Canvas Student app on your phone, so if you just tap on Canvas Student, what you see is there is no course here. So down here you see add courses or groups. So let's see if I want to add a course, I will just tab on that, and now I see a list of my classes, those classes that I have been taking since I started college. But I just want courses for this semester, which is spring 2020. In their titles, you can find out the semester. So imagine there is like the second one is Anthro 111, you have this class and you see spring 2020. I want this class appear on my dashboard, so I just click on the star next to it and it turns blue. So now this is on dashboard. Let's go back and see. You see the dashboard and yeah, Anthro 111 is here. So now there is no add courses anymore. What should I do? On the top right side, you see an icon of a pen. So if I click on that now, I go back to the edit dashboard. And now I can add more courses to my dashboard. Art 102 down there, the third class is Art 102. So if I again click on the star, now that should be also on the dashboard. So what if I don't want Intro 111? So I click again on the star next to it, it turns white, and now the only class that should be on dashboard should be Art 102. Let's go back. And yeah, Art 102 is there. So yeah, in this process of editing dashboard, I can add all those classes that I have this semester. So I will just find spring 2020, spring 2020, spring 2020, and yeah, those are my courses. And yeah, so you see I added all of them and now they are on my dashboard. See you soon.